You search for AI for business tips, and I'm guessing you're wondering how to make the most of AI in your business, especially when it comes to YouTube. Well, you're in the right place. Most creators spend 20 hours editing per video, and your competitors are posting 6 per day. Here's how that gap exists and how to close it. The truth is, automation is not just a myth, it's a reality that can transform your YouTube presence and income. But before we dive into that, let's talk about the time and money you're leaving on the table. Let's get real about the time and money you're wasting. If you're editing one video, you're spending around 20 hours scripting, 4 hours recording, and 8 hours editing. That's a total of 32 hours per week, per one video. And if you're posting one video per week, that's 32 hours of potential income, subscribers, and views you're missing out on every single week. Multiply that by 4 weeks, and you're looking at 128 hours of lost time and potential income. That's equivalent to $1,500 to $2,000 per month, depending on your monetization strategy. And that's not even considering the burnout and stress that comes with managing a solo YouTube channel. So, what if I told you there's a way to flip this script and automate your video generation, so you can post 6+ videos per day, every day, with zero manual editing? This is what Content Machine does. And our YouTube automation guide teaches you the exact framework to make it happen. You'll learn how to use Python, automation, and a video template to run your YouTube channel on autopilot. It's not rocket science, just a system that's working for creators like you. So how does it work? It's simple. You'll use Python to automate the video generation process, and a video template to create consistent and engaging content. The setup is minimal, and you can run it on Android or standard computers. We'll walk you through the exact steps in our guide, so you can see for yourself how easy it is to get started. But don't just take our word for it. Creators just like you have reported 100K subscribers, $3,000 to $5,000 per month in passive income, and 6+ videos per day on autopilot. They've used our guide to transform their YouTube presence and income, and we can show you how to do the same. With our system, you can focus on creating content that resonates with your audience, while our automation handles the rest. Now I know what you're thinking. Is this too technical? Will I need to spend a lot of money? Will it work for my niche? Let me put your mind at ease. Our guide is free, and the full system is a one-time purchase. We'll walk you through the setup, and provide you with a comprehensive guide to get you started. And yes, it works across niches. We've seen it work for creators in every industry imaginable. So, what do you say? Are you ready to close the gap and transform your YouTube presence and income? Our YouTube automation guide is the first step to making it happen. It's free, and it's waiting for you. Click the link below to get started and discover the power of automation for yourself. And if you're not ready to DIY, our done-for-you service is available for those who want managed access. Either way, it starts with understanding the system. So let's get started and make this happen.